Today we are going to cover AMGM inequality. So in today's class, let's start. In today's class, we'll start AM, GM, HM, and the properties of AM, GM, HM, and the questions related to AM, GM, HM inequality. So first of all, see what is AM, what is GM, what is HM. Just see a quick revision of AM, GM, and HM. Let's suppose we have two terms, A and B. Then for two terms, I'll tell you about AM, I'll tell you about GM, I'll tell you about HM. So let's see the different cases. This is AM, this is GM, and this is HM. So when we have two terms A and B, then AM is given by A plus B by 2. While GM is given by A into B raised to 1 by 2. And this is also written as root over of AB. And HM is given by twice of 1 by A plus 1 by B, which is equal to 2AB by A plus B. Now let's see if we have three terms A, B, C. If we have three terms A, B, and C, A, B, C, then AM is given by A plus B plus C upon 3, that is AM, while GM is given by A, B, C raised to 1 by 3, and HM is given by 3 upon 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So this is when we have three terms. Let's see when we have four terms, A, B, C, D. Then AM is given by A plus B plus C plus D upon 4. GM is given by product of ABCD raised to 1 by 4, and HM is given by 4 upon 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D. Now extend the logic. If we have n terms, say A1, A2, AN. If we have n terms A1, A2, AN, then its arithmetic mean is given by A1 plus A2 AN upon n. This can also be written as sigma AI by n. GM of these n terms is given by product of the terms A1, A2, AN raised to 1 by n. And it can also be written as product of all the terms raised to 1 by n. While HM can be written as n upon 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 plus dot 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 1 by AM. Or in other way, we can write it as N by sigma 1 by AR or AI. So this is AM, JM, and HM. We may have more than 3 term, 4 term. That's why generalize is if we have n terms. Now, the very important concept is AM, GM inequality. It says that since GM is defined only for positive numbers, when we have even number of terms, then the square root of negative number is not defined. So AM, GM inequality is applicable only and only for positive numbers. So we will always have AM is more than equal to GM, which in turn is more than equal to HM. AM is more than GM is more than equal to HM. That means for n terms, we have sigma AI upon n. This is arithmetic mean is more than equal to pi AI raised to 1 by n. This is GM, and which in turn is more than n by sigma 1 by AI. So we have AM, GM, and HM such that AM is always more than GM, and which in turn is more than HM. AM, GM, HM. Now, equality holds. That means AM is equal to GM is equal to HM. AM is equal to GM is equal to HM. When all the terms are equal, means A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A3 is equal to dot 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 AN. Then only we have AM is equal to GM is equal to HM. Now, if we proceed further, say let's take an example. Given that X is positive, and we need to find the range of function fx, which is x plus 1 by x. Here in this particular example, I have taken x as a positive. If x is a positive number, we can apply AM/GM. So AM is given by x plus 1 by x divided by 2, while GM is given by x into 1 by x raised to 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2. So what we will have, AM is always more than equal to GM. AM is always more than equal to GM. So what we will get, x plus 1 by x by 2 is always more than equal to its GM x into 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 or 1. So we can conclude that x plus 1 by x is always more than equal to 2. X plus 1 by x is always more than equal to 2. Okay. Now, if I ask you that equality holds for what value of x? Equality holds means x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So equality holds when both the terms are equal, means x equal to 1 by x or x equal to 1 or x equal to 1. So when x equal to 1, at that point only x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Now try this question. I'm giving you some time. Try this question. Then we'll move ahead. Solve this question and message me the answer. आदित्य सही है। Okay, so see this question. In this question, it is given that x and y are positive number, and their summation is given to us. That means x plus y equal to 10. Then find the maximum value of x into y. So if we apply AMGM, the AM of the two term is given by x plus y by 2, and their GM is given by root over of xy. Since we know that AM is more than equal to GM, so what we can write? X plus y by 2 is more than equal to root over xy. Since x plus y value is given to us, we can replace it here. What we'll get? 10 by 2 is more than equal to root over xy, or 5 is more than equal to root over of xy, or x into y is less than equal to 5 square, that means 25. So the maximum value of x and y is 25. X into y is 25. Now, if I ask you, what is the value of x and y for this? In that case, AM is equal to GM, and equality holds when all the terms are equal. That means x equal to y. If x equal to y and x plus y equal to 10, and x plus y equal to 10, then what we understand? X equal to y is equal to 5. That means, yes, Aditya, x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. Now solve this question. Message to this profile, not to the profile I am sharing the screen or talking. Aditya, think properly, Babu. Dhruv, right? Okay, let me solve this then. As per the question, x, y, z are positive numbers and x plus y plus z is 10. Then find the maximum value of x into y into z. So if we apply AM-GM inequality, what we will get, as AM will get x plus y plus z upon 3, because we have 3 terms here, is more than equal to x into y into z raised to 1 by 3. Now we know the value of x plus y plus z, it is 10. So we can write 10 by 3 is more than equal to x, y, z raised to 1 by 3. Or we can write final result as x, y, z is less than equal to 10 by 3 whole cube or 1000 upon 27. So the maximum value of x into y into z is 1000 divided by 27. Please see this. I'm leaving it for 1 minute. Then I'll move ahead. Yes, Aditya, you are. Oh, you have given only 2 zeros. Yeah, Aditya, correct now. Now it is correct. Okay. Move to the next question. Solve it. It's a good question. See how to get x square, y square, z square. Dhruv, no. Okay, I'll take 1 minute time more. क्या मैं सॉल्व कर दूं इसको? Okay, try it. I'll give you some more time. Try it fast. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let me solve this question then. It is given that x, y, z are positive numbers and x plus y plus z equal to 10. We need to find the maximum value of x square, y square, z. X square, y square, z. What does it mean? How we will get x square? When two of the x's are multiplied, then we'll get x square. How to get y square? When two of the y's are multiplied together. But we have x plus y plus z equal to 10. So can I write it as x by 2 plus x by 2? It will become x plus y by 2 plus y by 2. It will become y and plus z as a single term. So in total, how many terms do we have? 5 terms. So divided by 5. Divided by 5. Let me erase this one here. So this should be more than equal to their product, which is x by 2 into x by 2. See, now you can get x square here. And what is required to us? Then y by 2 into y by 2 into z. Now, we can replace this entire numerator from 10. So 10 by 5 means 2 is more than equal to x square, y square, z. This should be 1 by 5 here, raised to 5th power. Z divided by 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 5. Or we can write x square, y square, z less than equal to 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 4. Or x square, y square, z is less than equal to twice of 4 raised to 4. So this is the maximum possible value of x square, y square, z. Please have a look at this solution before we move ahead. So I think it is clear to all of you. Okay. Multiply 6 in power of both the side. Okay, but that will not produce you the desired result. Now, again, you have to come to this method only. ठीक है ना? Okay. Solve next question. Then this question you should solve on your own. Take some time. Try to answer. Here you have to think how to get x square, how to get y square, how to get z. X square can be achieved when x is multiplied twice. Okay. 1 minute time more. थोड़ा सा टाइम लो, इसको सोचो इसमें क्या करेंगे हम लोग. ध्रुव, good try. Okay, now time up. Let me explain. And then finally we'll discuss few questions which came in JEE main this year, last year. These questions. So, in this question, it is given that x, y, z is positive number. X plus y plus z is equal to 12. Then find the maximum value of x square, y square, z cube. Since we have x square, so we have to break down this x in two equal parts. That is x by 2 plus x by 2. Let me write it here. Plus, we need y squared. So break down this y into equal parts. Y by 2 plus y by 2. And then we have z cube. So we have to break this z in three equal parts. Say z by 3 plus z by 3 plus z by 3. In total, how many terms we have? 4 plus 3, 7 terms. So this divided by 7 is more than equal to product. So x by 2 into x by 2, y by 2 into y by 2, z by 3, z by 3, z by 3 raised to 1 by 7. We know that the summation of this entire thing is given to us as 12. This entire thing, which is x plus y plus z, is given as 12. So we can write 12 by 7 raised to 7 is more than equal to x square by 2 square, y square by 2 square, z square by 3 cube. So we can further rewrite it as x squared, y squared, z cube. It should be z cube is less than equal to 2 square into 2 square into 3 cube into 12 by 7 raised to 7. Or we can further simplify it as 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 3, and in 12 we can write 2 squared, 3 to the power 1 raised to 7 divided by 7 raised to 7. Or we can rewrite it as x squared, y squared, z cube is less than equal to 2 raised to 14 plus 4, 18, 3 raised to 7 plus 3, 10, divided by 7 raised to 7. So this is the maximum possible value of x squared, y squared, z cube. Now our next question is, for what value of x, y, and z this will occur? So we have seen that AM equal to GM when all the terms are equal. That means x by 2 equal to x by 2, which has to be, but it must be equal to y by 2 as well, which in turn equal to z by 3 as well. So we can say that x by 2 is equal to 12 by 7 or x equal to 24 by 7. Similarly, y by 2 is equal to 12 by 7. So y is equal to 24 by 7. While G is equal to z by 3 is equal to 12 by 7. So z is equal to 36 by 7. So this is the value of x, y, and z for which this particular given function will attain its maximum value. And its maximum value is given by this formula. I think ये सबका clear हो गया होगा. I'm giving you 1 minute time to understand this concept. Okay, so I think everyone got this. Move to the next question. Here I have given four variables x, y, z, and t. Apply the same concept what we have learned today. Here there are four variables x, y, z, and t. And we need to find the maximum value of x square, y square, z, t. Parth, Aditya, Parth, yes, correct. Dhruv, correct. Okay, now let me try. Now let me try. So question says that the question says if x, y, z, and t, they are positive numbers. And then given that their summation is 12, we need to find the maximum value of x square, y square, z, t. So we have x square. If we have x square, what does it mean? It means that we have to divide this x in two equal parts. So x by 2 plus x by 2. Then next we have y square. That means this y will divide into equal parts. Y by 2 plus y by 2. Z, leave it as it is, plus t. This divided by, we have 6. Because 6 terms we have, so we can write this divided by 6 is more than equal to x by 2 into x by 2. So x by 2 whole square, y by 2 whole square, z, t. Now we know the summation, the sum of all these values. Sum of all these values is 12. 12 by 6 is 2. And wait a minute, we have 1 by 6 here. Total terms are 6, no? 2. So we can write 2 raised to 6. And then x square by 2 square y square by 2 square into z into t. Or we can write it as x square y square z into t. This one is less than equal to 2 to the power 6 into 2 square into 2 square, which is 2 to the power 10 or 1024. So the correct answer is 1024. Very good. Last में Aditya, Dhruv, both of you given correct answer. किसी को समझने में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज मैसेज मी. I am well available on message as well as I am sharing my screen. Audio is off. Okay, so no problem. Should we move ahead then? Next question, slightly tricky question. I have changed the dimension here. Till now, we were solving the question where summation was given and we need to find the maximum value of product. Here, product is given. We need to find the minimum value of this expression. Dhruv. This is reverse type of question. Apply the same concept. Anyone else? It is similar question. I think you guys should attempt it. Same way we have to apply AMGM. I have just changed the dimension. So I am giving you one hint. Apply AMGM with X plus X plus 3Y plus Z. You have to message me on Pace Digital Host, not the co-host, Gajendra Kumar. From that ID, I'm sharing a screen, so I can't see your message. Okay, should I solve them? Okay, I'm waiting for one. Chalo, 1 minute or time दिया. Some people need time, so ठीक है, चलिए मैं इसको सॉल्व करता हूँ. In this question, again, x, y, z positive number and x square y, z is given to us 81. We need to find the minimum value of this. Minimum value of this. So minimum value is, we can write it as x plus x. This 2x can be written in this form. Why? Because we have x square here. Plus y we will not break in anyway. So 3y y into z raised to 1 by this one as it is equal to 2x by I think there is some problem, some technical problem, and I'm sharing the screen again. Yeah, voice was lagging. Now I think it should be okay. So this divided by 4 is more than equal to x squared yz into 3 times 1 by 4. We know that the value of x squared yz is 81. So this will be 3 times of 81 raised to 1 by 4. So 2x plus 3y plus z, 2x plus 3y plus z is more than equal to 4 times of 243 raised to 1 by 4. So this is always more than this one. And the minimum value of this is 4 into 243 raised to 1 by 4. Or 4 times of 3 to the power 5 by 4. And this value will achieve, then what is the value of x? all the three terms must be equal. Then all of them must be equal. Means x is equal to 3y is equal to z. X is equal to 3y is equal to z. Okay. Now it's time to solve few JEE questions, JEE mains question. So this is the first question. Give a try. Similar question we have done. Tell me the correct option of this. पार्थ का आंसर आ गया. आदर्श का भी आंसर आ गया. आदित्य, वेरी गुड. ध्रुव, करेक्ट. One minute more. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute more. Not more than that. चलिए अब मैं देखता हूँ. ये JEE मेन में आ चुका है. So this is the question which came in JEE Main 22. It says that xy is positive number. Okay, this is a big hint. If it is given, that means you can think that we have to apply AMGM inequality. So this is given. And then next information is x cube y squared is equal to 2 raised to 15. Then find the list value of 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y, that means we will break this 3x in 3 parts because we have x cube here. So we can write AM as x plus x, three terms, and then y as y plus y. We'll break this y in two parts. Why? Because we have to find y square. This divided by 5 is more than equal to the product x into x into x into y raised to 1 by 5. But term is this term is x cube y squared raised to 1 by 5, whose value is given to you as 2 to the power 15, 1 by 5, or 2 raised to 3. So we can write 3x plus 2y by 5 is more than equal to 8, or 3x plus 2y is more than equal to 40. So 3x plus 2y is always more than equal to 40. Its list value is 40 as long as product is constant. So the correct answer is option D, 40. चलिए, बहुत अच्छा आप लोगों ने सॉल्व किया इसको. Next question again, which came in JEE Main 2016. अभी तक कोई आंसर नहीं आया है. Again, you should get hint that AMGM तो यूज करना ही है. I think there was some technical glitch. And I'm assuming that my screen is visible now. Yes, it is visible. Yeah, I got a message from others. Yeah, correct answer, others. Correct answer. Okay. So now let me solve. बहुत time हो गया. Let me solve this question. This question is of JEE Main 2016 and based on again the concept AMGM inequality. So question says that X, Y, Z be positive real numbers. Positive real numbers, then inequality or equality, it should give you a hint that question may be from AMGM inequality. Then X plus Y plus Z is given to us as 12. And this one is given as this big number. Now, can you find, first of all, try to find if X plus Y plus Z is given to you 12, X plus Y plus Z is given 12, find the maximum value of this quantity. So X cube, that means break X in 3 parts, X by 3 plus X by 3 plus X by 3, Y to the power 4. So break Y by 4 plus 4 times Y by 4 and Z raised to 5. So Z by 5, 5 times Z by 5. This divided by, we have total how many terms? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 terms. Divided by 12 is more than equal to their product, which is X cube by 3 cube, Y to the power 4 by 4 to the power 4, Z to the power 5 by 5 to the power 5, raised to 1 by 12. We know that this summation is 12. X plus Y plus Z is 12. So 12 by 12 is 1. So what we can write? This 1 to the power 12 is more than equal to X cube, Y to the power 4, Z to the power 5 by 3 cube, 2 to the power 8, 5 to the power 5. Or X cube, Y to the power 4, Z to the power 5 is less than equal to 3 cube. So we can write it as 2, 3, and 6. 2, 3, and 5 will give us 6. So we can write this product as 0.1 into 600 cube. But its value is given as this only. That means it is the case of AM equal to GM. And if AM equal to GM, then I told you that all the terms must be equal. That means X by 3 should be equal to Y by 4 should be equal to Z by 5. That means All these are equal to 1. 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 And so we have x equal to 3, y is equal to 4, z equal to 5. So the main thing is that A and GM are equal when all the terms are equal. So x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, x by 3 will be 1. Y equal to 4, so y by 4 equal to 1. Z equal to 5, z by 5 equal to 1. And all the terms on which we are applying A and GM are equal. Once we have this, then the required value x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 27 plus 64 plus 125, that is 216. So the correct answer to this question is option B, 216. 216. Good, I'm giving you 1 minute time to assimilate it. Then we'll move to the next question. Okay, now solve this question, which came in this year itself. J means April 2023. Dhruv, correct answer. Aditya, correct answer. Very good. Parth, very good. Okay. So now let me explain. This question came in JEE Main 2023 April session. It says that let A, B, C and D be positive real numbers such that A plus B plus C plus D is 11. If maximum value of this, so we have been given with the maximum value of this number. So we have to use this information and then find the beta. If maximum value of this is given and summation is given, that means we have to break A in 5 times because A raised to 5 is given here. So we have to break A 5 times. That means A by 5 plus dot 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 A by 5. How many times? 5 times. To make it A plus B, we have to break it 3 times. B by 3 plus B by 3 plus B by 3 plus C, we have to break 2 times because we have been given here C square. So C by 2 plus C by 2 and let it be here. Divided by total how many terms we have here? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11 is more than equal to 11th root of product of all these numbers, and these numbers are A by 5 raised to 5, B by 3 raised to 3, C by 2 raised to 2 into D. Now, this is the value of A plus B plus C plus D, which is given to us here 11. 11 by 11 is 1. So 1 raised to 11 is more than equal to A to the power 5, B cube, C square, D divided by 5 raised to 5, 3 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2. Or we can write A raised to 5, B cube, C square, D is less than equal to 5 raised to 5, 3 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2. Now, this value is given as 3750 beta. And we need to find the value of beta. That means 5 to the power 5 into 3 cube into 2 square is given to us as 3750 into beta. So if you simplify it, you will get the value of beta as 5 raised to 5, 3 cube, 2 square divided by 3750. After simplification, you will get it as 90. So correct answer to this question is 90. 90 is the correct answer. Thank you very, very much. Thanks to all of you. आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं, बाकी फिर हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे अगले क्लास में. ठीक है? Thank you very, very much.